Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss about adverbs and the kind of adverbs. As you all know, adverb is a part of speech and it is frequently used in our sentences. Every sentences, I cannot say that every sentences use adverb, but most of the sentences contain adverb. First, we will talk about what is adverb. Okay, an adverb is a word modifying, ठीक है, word modifying a noun, adjective or an adverb. Means you can say that adverb is a word which modifies noun, modifies verb, adjective or another adverbs. It modifies the verbs, modifies the noun, modifies the adjectives, everything it modifies. Okay, here it is a modifying word. We also say that adverbs are modifying words. Here I have taken an example. The mother searched for the baby everywhere. The mother searched for the baby everywhere. Here, which is modifying this baby? That is everywhere. Everywhere. Mother searched the baby everywhere. Everywhere is the modifying word. Here, adverb is everywhere. Today, we are discussing about the types of adverbs also. There are total 7 kinds of adverbs that you have to study. All are equally important. First is adverb of time. Adverb of time means those words which tells when an action take place, means the word in the sentence which will tell us about when an action took place, when an action takes place. That word, that particular word will be adverb of time. Just like I have taken an example. I visited the circus yesterday. I visited the circus when? I visited the circus when? Yesterday. Then what will be the adverb of time here? Yesterday. I visited the circus yesterday. Yesterday is showing when I visited the circus, and when means the word which show when an action took place, when an action takes place. That word is termed as adverb of time. Again, try to understand the second one. Adverb of place. Adverb of place. It means the word which tells where an action takes place. Where an action takes place. We will justify that word, that particular word, which will tell us where it has taken place, where the action has taken place. The audience were seated everywhere. The audience were seated where? Everywhere. Where the audience has seated? Everywhere. So everywhere is the word which is showing the place, and so it will be called as adverb of place. Now let's go to the third number. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs. It tells us, means this interrogative adverbs is used to ask questions. They're question words. They're used to ask questions just like when, how, etc., how many, how much. All the questions and the word which relates to these questions, which gives the answers of these questions, will be termed as interrogative adverbs. Just like I have taken, there were hundreds of them. How many? Hundreds. 100 is an interrogative. Means here it is not interrogative adverb, but how many? Okay, there were how many of them? There were how many of them? This how many, and the answer will be 100, but how many is what? Adverb of interrogative adverb, means adverb which is used to ask questions. Adverb of manner. Now we will talk about adverb of manner. It tells how action takes place. How action takes place. How the action has taken place. We will get to know about how this work has taken place. I have taken an example. It say, I saw a clone jumping skillfully. I saw a clone. Clone, you know what is clone? Clone is just to make fun, just like a joker. Okay, I saw a clone jumping skillfully. Skillfully. Here, what, how action is taking place? Skillfully. Skillfully. Yes, like we can say, I am walking slowly. Slowly is an adverb of manner. Tortoise walks slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner. Okay, just like here, skillfully is a adverb of manner. Next is adverb of degree. It tells about intensity of action, means how many times this action has taken place. How many times this action has taken place. This is intensity of an action. Just like here I have taken an example. It is very exciting, very intensity. It is taking it is taking very exciting. Very is an adverb of degree. Adverb of frequency. What is adverb of frequency? Frequency means it tells about number of times an action takes place. Means how many times this action has taken place. It talks about number of times an action takes place. Just like I am taking an example here. I occasionally go to temple. Occasionally. This word occasionally tells us to here. Your answer could be 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. I occasionally go. I very little means just in a year I go 2 times, 3 times. This much only I go to temple. So I said I occasionally go to temple. Occasionally is a adverb of frequency. Adverb of reason. This is the last. It tells about the reason of action. Why this action has done. Why? It talks about the reason of action. Here, it tells about the reason of action, just like I am saying here. I went to park. But what is the reason of going to the park? To enjoy. To enjoy is a word which is showing the reason of going to the park. Means I am doing an action. I went to the park. Went is an action. Why this action took place? What is the reason behind this action? That is to enjoy. And to enjoy is an adverb of reason. These are the all adverbs that you have in your books. If you find any difficulty, you will contact to me. You can do the exercises, try the exercises. If you face any problem, I will try to solve those problems. You will send the problems to me. Thank you.